In this video, I want to talk with you about something that may surprise you. The drink you choose every morning can either protect your kidneys or slowly weaken them over time. Many older adults don't realize that the very first thing they drink after waking up has a big impact on how well their kidneys work for the rest of the day. And I know that as we age, every small choice matters. Our kidneys become more sensitive, and the right habits can make a real difference in our energy, swelling, blood pressure, and overall health. Today, I'm going to explain the drinks that help your kidneys heal and the ones that quietly cause harm. I'll break everything down in clear, simple language so you can understand exactly what your body needs. And I want you to feel hopeful, because kidneys can improve when we give them the right support. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. It helps us feel like one community here, learning together and supporting one another. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. Point 1. How your morning drink shapes your kidney health for the entire day. For older adults, the very first drink you have each morning plays a major role in how well your kidneys function for the rest of the day. After a full night of sleep, your kidneys are ready to begin filtering waste and balancing fluids again, and whatever you drink first becomes the very first thing they must handle. When that drink is gentle, low in sugar, and filled with natural nutrients, your kidneys start the day with much-needed support. This helps them filter more smoothly, reduce inflammation, and keep your energy steady. But many common morning choices create stress without people realizing it. Coffee with cream and sugar, fruit juices like orange or cranberry juice, flavored waters, and energy drinks all force the kidneys to work harder right away. These drinks can cause sudden spikes in sugar, caffeine, and chemicals, increasing inflammation and placing pressure on aging kidney tissues. Over time, this morning strain can contribute to swelling, higher blood pressure, rising creatinine, and long-term kidney decline. That is why choosing a healthy morning drink is one of the simplest habits older adults can adopt. It sets the tone for the next 12 to 16 hours of kidney function. A supportive drink gives your kidneys a gentle start, a harmful one adds unnecessary stress. This small daily choice can shape your entire health journey in a meaningful way. Point 2. Lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt. One of the most powerful kidney-supporting drinks for older adults is simple lemon water with a tiny pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Fresh lemon juice contains natural citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from forming crystals inside the kidneys. It also helps your body flush out extra uric acid, a common cause of kidney strain, inflammation, and pain. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a gentle antioxidant that protects kidney cells from damage. When taken first thing in the morning, lemon water helps hydrate your body after hours of fasting, giving your kidneys the clean, fresh start they need. The small pinch of Himalayan salt may surprise some seniors, especially those told to avoid salt. But this natural salt contains over 80 trace minerals that support fluid balance, nerve function, and kidney stability. Unlike processed table salt, it does not burden the kidneys. The key is using a tiny amount, just enough to help support hydration, not enough to taste salty. This drink works best on an empty stomach. It prepares your kidneys for the day, supports filtration, and gently boosts your body's ability to remove toxins. For many older adults, this simple habit can lead to more energy, less swelling, and better overall kidney comfort. Point 3. Dandelion root tea, a natural kidney cleanser. Dandelion root tea may look simple, but it is one of the most effective natural drinks for supporting kidney health, especially for older adults. This tea acts as a gentle, natural diuretic, helping your kidneys release extra fluid and wash out toxins without stripping your body of important minerals. Unlike strong medications that can stress the kidneys, dandelion root works in harmony with your body. The root contains powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage caused by aging, inflammation, and high toxin levels. It also supports a healthy gut, which is more important for kidney health than many people realize. When your digestion is working well, your body produces fewer harmful substances that the kidneys must filter. One of the key compounds in dandelion root helps reduce swelling, puffiness, and heaviness, symptoms many seniors struggle with. Drinking this tea regularly can help your kidneys feel less overwhelmed and give them a chance to rest and recover. For best results, drink dandelion root tea on an empty stomach in the morning. Use high-quality dried root and simmer it to extract all the benefits. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, but that bitterness is part of what helps your liver and kidneys work more efficiently. Point 4. Fresh celery juice, gentle support for aging kidneys. Fresh celery juice is another powerful morning drink that can make a real difference for older adults. Celery contains natural compounds that help relax blood vessels and improve circulation to the kidneys. Better blood flow means your kidneys can filter waste more effectively and feel less strained throughout the day. Many seniors worry about sodium, but the sodium found naturally in celery is different from table salt. It's balanced with other minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help your body stay hydrated and keep fluids moving smoothly. This kind of natural sodium supports kidney health instead of harming it. Celery juice is also rich in antioxidants that protect kidney cells from inflammation and daily wear and tear. It even helps your liver process toxins more efficiently, which means your kidneys have less work to do. When both organs share the load, the whole system works better. For the best results, celery juice should be fresh, either juiced at home or bought cold-pressed. Store-bought, shelf-stable celery juice loses many of its benefits. Start with a small amount if you're sensitive, then increase gradually. Older adults often notice better energy, less puffiness, and clearer thinking after adding fresh celery juice to their mornings. It's a gentle, natural way to support your kidneys day after day. Point 5. Hibiscus tea, a heart and kidney protector. Hibiscus tea is one of the most overlooked yet powerful drinks for supporting kidney health, especially in older adults. This bright red tea is rich in natural antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from inflammation and daily stress. These antioxidants also support healthier blood vessels, which improves circulation to the kidneys and reduces strain on the filtration system. One of the most important benefits for seniors is hibiscus tea's ability to naturally lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is both a cause and a result of kidney problems, creating a cycle that speeds up kidney damage over time. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can gently bring blood pressure down, easing the workload on your kidneys. Hibiscus also acts as a mild, natural diuretic. This means it helps remove excess fluid without draining essential minerals from your body. Many older adults struggle with swelling in the legs or feet, and this tea can help reduce that uncomfortable buildup. The tart, cranberry-like flavor is naturally refreshing, but it's important to drink it without added sugar. You can enjoy it warm or cold, and a squeeze of lemon can make the taste even brighter. For seniors looking to protect both heart and kidney health at the same time, hibiscus tea is a simple and effective choice that fits easily into a morning routine. Point 6. Green tea with ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory combination. Green tea with fresh ginger is one of the most healing combinations you can drink, especially for older adults concerned about their kidney health. Green tea is rich in natural antioxidants called catechins, which help protect kidney cells from damage and support the repair of tissues that may have been stressed over time. These antioxidants also improve your body's ability to handle blood sugar, which is especially important for seniors with diabetes or early kidney changes. Adding fresh ginger makes this drink even more powerful. Ginger contains compounds that fight inflammation throughout the body, including inside the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of kidney decline, and this simple drink helps calm that process down. Ginger also improves circulation, helping your kidneys receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function well. Many older adults also appreciate that ginger helps reduce nausea, settles the stomach, and improves digestion. This can be especially helpful for those with kidney disease who often struggle with appetite or queasiness. For the best results, use high-quality green tea and add thin slices of fresh ginger, not powdered ginger. Brew the tea gently so you don't lose the healing compounds. A small amount of honey or stevia is okay if needed, but avoid artificial sweeteners. This soothing morning drink supports kidney health, digestive comfort, and overall energy, all with one simple cup. Point 7. Parsley tea, a gentle detox for aging kidneys. Parsley tea may seem simple, but it offers powerful support for older adults who want healthier kidneys. Fresh parsley is filled with natural compounds that help your body flush out extra fluid, toxins, and waste products in a gentle way, without the harsh side effects of strong diuretics. This makes it especially helpful for seniors who experience swelling in the legs, ankles, or hands. Parsley contains vitamins and antioxidants that protect kidney cells from everyday damage. It also supports the liver, which works closely with the kidneys to remove toxins from the body. When your liver is working well, your kidneys don't have to work as hard, allowing them to rest and recover. One of the biggest benefits of parsley tea is its ability to help reduce uric acid, a common cause of kidney stones and kidney strain. Many older adults struggle with high uric acid levels without knowing it, and this simple tea helps bring those levels down naturally. Parsley also supports healthy calcium and oxalate processing, reducing the chance of stone formation. It's a mild, refreshing drink that can easily be made with fresh or dried parsley. Adding a squeeze of lemon can improve the flavor and enhance the kidney protective effects. For seniors looking for a gentle, natural way to support their kidneys each morning, parsley tea is a smart and effective choice. Point 8. Nettle leaf tea, a mineral-rich boost for kidney function. Nettle leaf tea is one of the best natural drinks for older adults who want to support their kidneys and overall strength. Even though nettle is known as a stinging plant, once it's dried and prepared as tea, it becomes a powerful healing tonic filled with minerals your body can easily absorb. Nettle leaves contain natural amounts of iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, minerals that are especially important for seniors. These minerals help your kidneys regulate fluids, support nerve function, and maintain balanced blood pressure. Unlike many supplements, the minerals in nettle tea are gentle and kidney-friendly. This tea also acts as a mild diuretic, helping your body release toxins and extra fluid without draining your energy or causing dehydration. It supports steady urine flow, which is helpful for older adults who experience puffiness, heaviness, or swelling. Another benefit is nettle's ability to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest reasons kidney function declines over time. Nettle's natural compounds help calm this inflammation and protect kidney tissues from further damage. For seniors who struggle with low iron or fatigue, nettle tea can also offer support. Its natural iron content, combined with vitamin C in the leaf, helps your body produce healthier red blood cells. Nettle leaf tea has a mild, earthy flavor and can be enjoyed warm or cold. Adding a little lemon makes it even more refreshing. Point 9. How seniors can easily use these drinks in daily life. You don't need to drink all 7 kidney healing beverages every day. The real benefit comes from consistency and choosing one supportive drink each morning. For older adults, this simple routine can create steady, gentle improvements in kidney health over time. A helpful approach is to rotate these drinks throughout the week so your kidneys receive a variety of healing nutrients. For example, you might start Monday with lemon water, Tuesday with dandelion tea, Wednesday with celery juice, and so on. This makes it easier to follow, more enjoyable, and more effective. The timing matters, too. These drinks work best when taken on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients without interference from food. Many seniors feel lighter, more energized, and less swollen when they follow this simple timing. You can choose the drinks that fit your taste and comfort level. Some people love teas, others prefer fresh juices. What's important is Point 10. Important reminder for kidney patients. These healing drinks can be very helpful, but it's important for older adults to understand that they are not magic cures. They work gently and gradually, especially when combined with healthy habits. Your kidneys are hard-working organs, and even in later years, they can improve when given the right support. But they still need consistent care. To get the best results, pair these morning drinks with simple lifestyle steps: staying hydrated throughout the day, limiting processed foods, choosing kidney-friendly meals, keeping your blood pressure in check, and staying active in whatever way feels comfortable. Even light walking, stretching, or chair exercises can make a meaningful difference. It's also important to keep regular checkups with your doctor and monitor your lab numbers. Many older adults see improvements in their energy, swelling, and creatinine levels when they combine these drinks with their medical plan. The key is steady, gentle support, not quick fixes. Think of these drinks as daily nourishment for your kidneys and your whole body. They help reduce stress on the organs, support healing, and create a healthier foundation so your kidneys can do their job more effectively. When you stay consistent, your body responds in positive ways, one small step at a time. As we grow older, even small habits can have a big impact on how we feel each day. Your kidneys work quietly in the background, filtering your blood, balancing fluids, and keeping your body clean. By choosing the right morning drink, you give them a calm, supportive start, something that makes a real difference over weeks and months. You now know the drinks that protect your kidneys and help them heal, and you've also learned which everyday choices quietly cause harm. This knowledge gives you power. You can wake up tomorrow and begin your day in a way that supports your long-term health. Even one small change can bring more energy, less swelling, clearer thinking, and better comfort. What matters most is consistency. When you gently support your kidneys every morning, you're giving them the chance to work more efficiently and recover from years of strain. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just start with one drink, and let the improvement grow from there. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and confident in your health. And with simple daily choices like these, you can move toward better kidney function and a better quality of life.